Good evening, students. So it is question number 2-1. Question number 2-1 from exercise 4.1, and it is video number maths 13, mathematics 13 plus 10. Now see, there is written represent the situation in the form of quadratic equation. That means whatever situation is given in question number 2-1, this situation you have to represent as a quadratic equation. So what is written there? The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. So area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. So area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth equal to 528 meter square. We have this one. Second case, the length of the plot is one more. Length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So written one more than twice its breadth. So first of all you have to declare breadth. Then from the breadth we have to find out length. After that we have to make the equation on the basis of statement this. The area of a rectangular plot equal 528 meter square. This statement we have to use. So just you see solution. Let breadth be x meter, breadth be x meter, as per question what? Length equal 1 plus twice x. Why written 1 plus twice x? Because there is written length of the plot is one more. One more means 1 plus. Then twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means 2 into x. Breadth we are declaring x, so here written x. 1 plus 2 times of x. Twice its breadth. Then according to question written area of a rectangular plot equal to 528 meter square. So written area of a rectangular plot equal 528 meter square. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth equal to 528 meter square. Then length is what there? 1 plus 2x. So 1 plus 2x written in the place of length, and in the place of breadth written x. Then 528. Now just you multiply x into 1x, x into 2x, 2x square equal to 528. By shifting you will get quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. It is the required quadratic equation. So this situation we have already represented as quadratic equation. So now finally there is written we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So that's why we have to solve this quadratic equation by the middle term factorization method. So middle term factorization method already you got in class 8. 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. So by the middle term factorization we are getting what? 2x square plus 3x 33x minus 32x minus 528. That means how 33 and 32 is come. See, first of all you have to multiply constant term with the coefficient of x square. So constant term you multiply 528 into 2 equal to getting 8 to the 16, 6, 1 in hand, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, 2 5 the 10. So now we are getting 1056. Now you find out the factors of 1056. So 33 and 32, these two are the factor of 1056. So from this number you have to find two factor in such a way either their addition or subtraction value is equal to the coefficient of x. So 33 and 32, these two are the factor of 1056 and their subtraction value is equal to the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here 1. So after that we are taking common from these two terms x, then here left 2x plus 33, x into 2x equal to 2x square and x into 33 equal to 33x. From these two terms we have taken common minus 16. Minus into plus minus 16 to the 32x. Minus into plus minus 16 into 33 equal to 528 equal to 0. So now you think this one is the first term and this one is the second term. Up to this much is the first term and up to this much is the second term. So from these two terms we have taken common 2x plus 33. So 2x plus 33 taken common, here left x, then minus 16 equal to 0. So now we are getting 2 factor. After that these two are the factor, that's why we can write twice x plus 33 equal to 0. Then from there we will get x value minus 33 by 2, which is not acceptable. Then x minus 16 equal to 0, x minus 16 equal to 0, x equal to 16, it is positive value. So this one is acceptable. Why positive value is taken? Because length and breadth are the physical quantities, and physical quantities value never be negative. That's why we have taken x value is positive. So breadth equal to 16 meter, because breadth is what? Breadth is x, that's why breadth equal to 16 meter, and length equal to 2x plus 1. Already we have declared length equal to 1 plus 2x. So 2x plus 1 written, x value put. By the calculation you will get 33 meter. It is the length and breadth and final answer of this problem.